Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. It's Julia's here and I am back with another video. So today we're going to be making a cute summer outfit for the hot days. So before I get this video started, I'd just like to say a big thank you to all my subscribers. I really appreciate it. Thanks for all the love. So let's get right into it. So this is what we're going to be using today. I have a pans that I make from long time, some chalk, scissors, and of course your fabric and the ruler. So I'm just making a pattern from this pans, cutting it out. So yeah, and I'm making it into the shape I like it to be. So that's what I'm doing. And I'm cutting at the waist. So yeah, and now I'm cutting at the top. And for your pants piece and your top piece, you're gonna need two pieces, a front and a back. And this is my back and my front. This piece I'm cutting is my front. So yeah, looks funny, but I'll show you. And this is piece for the top. Now I have all my pieces together, cut out. I'm gonna just sew them together, and I'll give you a little clip of pieces that I sewn. So yeah, this is a piece to go around. We're gonna tie in the front, and I'm just gonna hem the armhole, and that's how the front piece look. While you're sewing the front piece, you're gonna stretch the piece that you're attaching and not your bodice piece, just the piece you're attaching you'll be stretching. And I'm gonna flip it over so I'll have like a casing, and I'll stitch all the way down. And this is my pants, and I'm just gonna stitch these sides up and then put the crotch together, stitch it, and then I'm gonna attach the waistband. First I'm gonna stitch it together and make one circle, and I'm gonna close it, put it the wrong side kissing each other, and then I'm gonna put the right side of the waistband and the right side of the fabric kissing, and I'm gonna sew all the way around. And that's how everything looked. That's how it came out. I'm so proud of myself. I love this outfit. It's gonna be one of my favorite. So yes, y'all, I hope you like it, because I love it. The flames from the back. Yeah. How I make myself a cute summer outfit, and I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please hit that like button, leave a comment below, and please subscribe. Thank you. Bye.